Hello, and welcome to the 6th video in this LeetCode and C# series. In this video, we're going to be doing the challenge called Zigzag Conversion. So let's go over to LeetCode and let's start this challenge. So if you load in, and let's see what it does. So the string PayPal is hiring is written in a zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this. You may want to display this pattern in a fixed format for better legibility. So you've got 3 rows, and it goes top to bottom. PayPal is hiring in a zigzag pattern. Then read line by line, you have this, which, okay, line by line, so PAHN, then APLSIIG, then YIR. Okay, so get the string, you get the number of rows, and other examples. So for this, okay, that was the original example. So okay, this one. So you've got 4 rows, so it goes all the way down, then diagonally up, down, diagonally up. Okay, so that should be easy enough, I think. Okay, to start this off, we will have string array, which equals num of rows. So the value of num rows will be the amount of items in the array. So the first item will be the first row, second item, second row, etc. So we'll be needing to iterate through each of the characters here. So we start off with the column, each row. So I'll go 0, 1, 2, 3. Then I'll go back upward, 2, 3, 2, 1, then back down. So I don't think this white space actually matters, it's just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, like that. So we'll do for int I equals 0, I is less than s dot length, then I plus plus. So I think this might be as simple as just doing rows. Okay, so no, that's not what we need to do. No, this should actually be a for each. So go thing like that, then you have int row equals 0, bool direction down equals true. So we'll then do string row plus equals c dot to string, then row equals, oops, that's the wrong way around. If it's direction down, you need to first check to see direction down equals row equals 0, direction down equals true. So for equals 0, yep, true. Or row equals num rows minus 1. Just realizing this should be underneath here. Or row minus 1. So you get to so you do this to get the row number. No, this should be switched around. So which way should it be? Yeah, we'll keep it like that. So row equals 0, make it true, or row equals num rows minus 1, false, else just direction down. So row equals direction, that's row direction, or if direction down plus 1. Okay, I think that's correct for that. Then when we get to here, for each row in string row in rows, actually I already changed this to s row in rows, output plus equals s row, then return output. Let's give this a shot. I think this is right. Not surprised I missed semicolons, as I always do. So let's go through and fix all those. So that's line 3, line 9. Identify... yeah. Oh, whoops, wrong name. Rows row. Line 11 all the way over here. I think that's all the mistakes. Now let's give it a shot. Okay, that's promising. I think that's the first time I've had all test cases accepted. Now let's submit. Okay. Index was outside the bounds of the array. So, okay, we need to do a test case for numRows equals 1. If numRows is greater than 1. Nearly had it where there was no mistakes, but didn't think about edge cases like this. Actually, we should include this in here. It doesn't make a difference, but may as well. Let's just run it with the test ones to see if it still works. Okay, yep, still works. Now let's submit. Okay, cool. I think that's the quickest I've done. Well, definitely the quickest I've been with one of these challenges. So, that's pretty cool. If you enjoyed watching this video where I solved the LeetCode challenge called Zigzag Conversion, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos in this LeetCode and C# series.